食人唔𦧲骨，食人唔𦧲骨。
It is a very horrible idiom. Its direct translation is eating people without spitting out bones and skull. To visualize this idiom, you can imagine there is an alligator in a river. It is quietly waiting for its prey. Once captured, the prey can seldom escape from its big mouth. In the end, the whole prey is swallowed. The idiom can reflect how some of Chinese operate their business. They believe profit maximization. At that time, we can use
食人唔𦧲骨
to describe how they earn every penny. It can be also used to describe someone do everything bad to others for gaining something for himself. For example,
佢為咗錢，成為一個壞事做盡、食人唔𦧲骨嘅毒販。佢為咗錢，成為一個壞事做盡、食人唔𦧲骨嘅毒販。
In English, it means, in order to earn money, he became a drug dealer who earns every penny and does everything bad. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.